In 1953, America built a dream and called it the Corvette. Made entirely from fiberglass, it looked like nothing else on the road. Sleek, light, and built for pure pleasure, the Corvette C1 wasn't just a car. It was America's first true sports car. Only 300 were ever made, all in polo white with red interiors. It didn't have the power of the Europeans yet, but it had something else: style, courage, and attitude. So tell me, would you drive the legend that started it all? And if you'd like to see more stories like this, subscribe for the next legend on Auto Archive.